Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make jerk sauce. We'll start by gathering all the vibrant ingredients that give jerk sauce its signature flavor. You'll need fresh scotch bonnet peppers for that essential heat, along with aromatic green onions, garlic, and ginger. Don't forget the key spices like allspice, nutmeg, and cinnamon, which create a warm, complex profile. A touch of brown sugar and soy sauce balances everything beautifully, setting the stage for an incredible sauce. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready for blending. Begin by roughly chopping your fresh items like the scotch bonnet peppers, red onion, and ginger. This helps them break down easily. Next, accurately measure your dry spices, such as 2 tablespoons of allspice and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, along with your liquids like 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Place everything into your food processor or high-speed blender, preparing for the next exciting step. It's time to bring all those amazing flavors together. Blend your ingredients on high speed until they transform into a thick, uniform paste. If the mixture seems too dense, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of water or pineapple juice to achieve the perfect consistency. Remember to taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. Perhaps a pinch more salt or a touch more brown sugar will make it just right. You want a smooth sauce with a delightful, subtle texture. Your delicious homemade jerk sauce is now complete. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container or a clean jar. For optimal freshness and flavor, store it in the refrigerator. This wonderful sauce will keep well for up to 2 weeks, allowing you to enjoy its vibrant taste over several meals. It's perfect as a marinade for chicken, pork, or fish, or simply as a zesty condiment to elevate any dish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.